Gina, what is going on? Ever since you stormed out of the manager's office and back to this house, you've not spilled a word. What's the problem? I'm talking to you.
He wants me to go see him in his hotel room later tonight.
Are you serious?
According to him, that's the only way I can get the job.
Is he mad? I would have given him a dirty slap if I happened to be there. What sort of nonsense is that?
Just imagine the rubbish. That's how they lose capable hands. An employer matures who are ready to do their biddings. And at the end of the day, they blame the wrong souls.
Well, it is quite unfortunate that this kind of act is almost everywhere.
No, I disagree with you. It is not everywhere. We still have responsible souls out there who do not indulge themselves in such rubbish. It's not everywhere.
It's okay. Calm down, relax. If my friend's own doesn't work, definitely another one will. Okay?
I am very certain I am definitely going to get a good job. I'm not even bothered.
Who's that?
Guy, open.
My guy is in here.
Oh, okay.
My God.
Don't tell me he's the one we were waiting for.
He's my guy.
Don't tell me he's the one we went to see.
I don't understand. He's my guy. Do you want to be
Yes!
Gina! Where is she? Where is she?
She couldn't listen to me. She turned back and warned me never to dare stop her in an aggressive manner. My entire life I have never seen that girl behave like that before. What is going on?
I need to talk to her. Please.
Wait. Is there something going on between you and that girl that I do not know about?
Babe, why are you not saying anything? Why are you quiet? Who's there?
It's me, Lucky.
Oh. What is this man doing here?
I am not here to see you. So please, kindly, shut up.
I thought we told you we do not entertain men in this apartment. What is this idiot doing here?
Brenda, please. I had a conversation with Sophia and she already told me why you people decided not to allow men into the house. Dan, that's for certain men, not someone like him.
Oh, wow. So that means you two are dating. You've agreed. Huh?
We are not dating. He's my brother.
Oh, shut up. Why do you like lying? Huh? Do I look like a kid to you? Why are you lying?
Brenda, look, I'm not lying to you. If you like, you believe whatever you want, I beg.
Please, ignore her. You should know her type of person. There's no need explaining to someone that doesn't want to believe you. My dear sister, I've come to see you. So please, let's talk outside.
Sister, my foot. Now why are you two trying to pretend? Huh? Why are you pretending that you're not dating? Are you not adults or am I going to whip you?
It's not as easy as you think. I did a lot for that ungrateful goat. He's your friend. If he is sincere to himself, he should be able to tell you that 70%, if not 75% of the money he used for his program abroad came from me.
Yeah, I know he told me.
Oh,
I
he
mean,
did.
he told me how you guys met.
He did, right?
Sorry.
Then he came back from the abroad and started acting funny. If I call him, he will say he's busy. Later on, he relocated from Benin. I kept trying to keep in touch. One of those days, I called him and he shouted at me and said, I'm disturbing him. He would appreciate it if I stopped calling his line. He said a whole lot of annoying things to me that day. But thank God, I survived the heartbreak.
It's alright, I understand your pain. He was only stuck in between two ladies at that point. So he decided not to break the heart of the girl he met first before you. That was what happened.
Okay. It's my own heart that is meant to be broken, right?
Not really.
I don't ever want to have anything to do with that guy. He should just stay off.
I understand. The girl in question broke his heart. Yeah, she was double dating and he found out. Well, don't worry. He will tell you more when you see him.
I don't ever want to see him again. Talk more of having a conversation with him.
The thing here is that he has been searching for you and talking about you ever since he left that girl. He has searched everywhere for you. Your lines are not going. Where you were working previously, you're no longer there. He has done everything. And all this while, I didn't know he was talking about my cousin. I'm just knowing now. Okay? So please, relax. Everything will be sorted out. Okay?
I don't know why you believe all the lies that girl told you. She didn't lie now, obviously. They're all pretending to be brother and sister, so that boy who flaunt our house and make this place his second home.
Brenda, I have known Gina for a really long time. We attended the same university and we even stayed in the same room as roommates. Yes.
Okay.
If there's one thing I can confidently tell you about her is that she does not lie. If she indeed tells you a lie by mistake, trust me, she'll be so unsettled until she comes back to tell you that what she has said earlier is a lie. In fact, I admire her ability to always tell the truth. Yes, I envy her when it comes to that. So, believe me when I tell you to trust what she says, that guy is her brother.
Oh,
What is Oh. Gina. Is he gone?
He has left.
What did he say?
He wants me to reconcile with the guy.
See, it's not like I'm trying to stop you from that. You're old enough to make your decision. But just be very careful. That's all I have to say.
I'm sure he has told you about me.
He has never said anything bad about you. All he ever told me is that you're a good girl.
Well, sorry I judged you wrongly.
It's fine.
Meanwhile, girls, this weekend, it's my birthday. Special announcement. I do not want any negative energy. I mean, no hate, zero hatred. Keep all the negative energy outside. Please, please, please. It's my special day.
I almost forgot.
Well, trust us. We are going to make it big.
See, just keep the big and just say a little prayer for me. That's all I want.
Happy birthday in advance.
Oh, thank
And
you.
I pray a huge alert should fall on you before that day.
Back on! Now you talk out. You know that.
Grace, my dear. You see, I invited you here to reconsider what we discussed a few days ago. Please, my dear, listen, let me tell you. If I mention my offer, you will definitely change your mind. Trust me, if you do this for me, I'll pay you real good. I will.
Really?
Sure.
Well, if the offer is that juicy, then I might consider jumping on it. But first, I have a question.
Okay.
Why me? I mean, there are prettier girls. They also want to be charge you so much for this, but you chose me. I want to know why.
Grace, you're my friend. I trust you. Come to think about it, you're such a beautiful, smart and elegant looking lady. Tell me, which man will say no to you? Which man?
Okay, no problem, but I will need some time to think about this. Let me think through and get back to you, please.
That would be nice. Okay, to show you that I'm serious about it, let me just show you some love. Let me open my bank app and your account again. Which bank?
I've changed my mind. We won't be going to the hotel anymore.
What happened?
There is this girl I dated before. I treated her very bad. And she has shown up. So I really need to make it up to her. So going to hotel with another girl will worsen the situation. So please, bear with me.
I should bear with you. No, why did you not tell me when I called you? Yes, I agree. Let me call you, ask you how far you did chance. But if you tell me, say you get other things to do, not inviting me over and you're telling me this.
Listen. I am sorry. I know I wronged you, yes. I was thinking that I can carry it, but at the end of the day, my conscience cannot let me. You can't force me to the hotel to do something I don't want to do. It's about conscience.
Bros, you go follow me go that hotel. Because I cannot lose the money we've agreed on. You go follow me go that hotel. She can't talk with this one. I look like person where they play with.
It's all about the money.
Yes.
Out of my conscience. At least let me do what is right for the first time. Please.
One, if you don't want to go with me, send me the agreed money.
Listen, will I pay for something I did not do? We don't knack now. How want they pay? We knack?
Oh, guy go send them. I be no go send them. You won't make I shout for here. You won't make I crazy for here.
Calm down, huh? What they open eye for me? All of us this street.
Okay, send me the money, I beg.
Calm down. I do anything. And so they take the pay.
Consign you.
Even command the cap, no enter. I say make I give you money. And so they take the do.
Time don't pass. Time na money. Okay, send me my money.
Just because of God, now I just run this. Just give me your account number.
Now my OP use my phone number. Come on the 0 for front. Brenda Anthony.
No problem.
Which kind of problem with this one?
Chill. Check it. I've sent it.
How much you send?
Check it now.
How much you send? My phone dey low. How much you send?
100K.
100,000 as what? Na crayfish. We dey bargain for crayfish.
Listen, calm down. Talk small.
Okay, na 200 we agree. Send me 200,000.
I did not do anything.
You do. Oh. If I come down here, I will shout, and everybody will know that you call a shower, you sleep with a shower, you no pay.
Listen now, it hasn't got into that listen. We are friends. You don't know you may need my help tomorrow. Please.
Make it not just be like say I be bad person. No.
Everything know the end today now. If you need my help tomorrow.
Now today the important pass, but may I just free you. Because tomorrow tomorrow is not sure. I calm down. Hey, tomorrow night, you say I know be better person. We agree on 200, they give me 100,000. I make carry this your carton.
High class girls, elegant ladies, premium runs girls. They do their things with a difference. Don't you call them Nolo Show? They are premium runs girls. They are smart, they are elegant and beautiful. All they care for is the money. They can do anything for the money. So if you no get money, hide your face. Hide your face. But if you got the money, oh yeah, come right.
Chief.
How are you, sir?
Chief.
Sophia.
My chief. One and only Odogu Parara. Smartest chief I know.
I'm coming, Sophia. Point of correction. I'm not Odogu Parara. I am Odogu Igwe.
Odogu Igwe. The smartest man I know.
Oh my God. Listen, I'm even smarter than some of these young boys that you guys are dying for.
Oh,
Yes,
chief.
you've tested me. You've seen the difference between banana and cucumber.
Chief, stop
Odogu no by mat, Odogu
Stop
Igwe.
it.
Give me a high five.
That's my
That's
chief.
my baby. How are you?
I'm good, chief. And you?
Yes, I'm good, always.
Chief, tell me, the reason you called me, is it in regards to, what we discussed, or there's something else?
Of course, your point. A friend of mine told me how sweet and, he told me about the threesome of a thing, and honestly, I just want to have a taste of it.
Chief,
Yes,
you are so naughty. Come on, threesome. I see you. But not to worry, I got you. Of course, I'm Sophie, your girl. Chief, you know what?
I'm listening.
Threesome is expensive. Yes. And tell me, Chief, do you have enough energy to see it through? Because they need to be satisfied.
Who is asking this question? You can't stop to amaze me, Sophia. They will be the one to beg me.
Oh,
The
oh,
living witness.
now you're flaunting. That's my chief.
Yes, of course.
It's okay. Let's see how that plays out. I always arrange anything for you. I concur to anything you say.
I trust you. Please, can you just give me an idea what it's going to cost me?
Chief, you know what? Let's do it this way. As soon as you pick the girls that I sent you, on your WhatsApp, then I'll tell you the prices. Don't worry, it's something you can handle.
Of course, I just want to pull your legs. Of course, I'm capable.
My chief. Oh.
Oh my God.
Okay, it's okay, Chief. I'll talk to you later, okay? And I'll send you the prizes.
Wonderful. I can't wait to hear that from you.
Oh, Chief. I'll see you. Bye, Chief. Yes, so.
Well, this girl is something else. I think I have to make arrangement to have to pass this way again. This girl is beautiful. Wow. Look at her movement. Hey! Don't you are tempting me, Sophia. You won't stop tempting me. You are tempting. Look at movement. Hey! And your hair. Away. And your hair. Away. If any in way, it would be.
Don't you call them Nolo Show? They are premium runs girls. They are smart, they are elegant and beautiful. All they care for is the money. They can do.
Okay. Are you sure you're fine here?
Yeah, I'm fine here. I'll make withdrawals at the POS before going home.
Okay, that's fine. Maybe when next you visit the house, I'll follow you to know where you're living.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Please, sis, you and Loki need to settle. I mean, you two are siblings. It's not right that you stay in the same city, yes, yet you don't talk to each other.
you don't even visit yourselves. It doesn't make sense at all.
Gina, you're right. And as a matter of fact, my husband is the cause of our distance. I mean, news said it that he has been carrying women around town.
News? How? How did you know?
Two of my friends told me, and I'm sure they are not lying.
You can't be so sure when you don't have proof, okay?
Gina, don't pretend as if you don't know who my husband is. You know he's a cheat. And I've not been talking times with Lucky, my brother, because I felt he hates my husband. And I don't know why. You won't believe that I barged into them arguing and quarreling, and Lucky called his girlfriend. That they were quarreling over a woman. I felt so disappointed. I was really heartbroken. I never believed my husband would do such a thing, to cheat on me.
Sis, all I can say is, whatever it is, just find time and sit your husband down and have a conversation with him. I mean, you never can tell. The fault might be yours. If you don't have a conversation with him, you won't know. So just try to find out if there's something you're not doing right. I mean,
Gina, you're right, but what if he denies it? Listen, don't worry. I've told myself, and I'm ready, and I've made up my mind. I will do everything to get proof. Yes.
sis, please, whatever you're doing, just be careful. That's all I can say.
I
Be
will.
careful, please.
I have to run along.
Alright, thank you for dropping me.
Alright, have a great day.
I'll see you again.
Careful out there.
Thank you. Drive safe.
Bye.
Hey, baby girl. Hey. Hi. I'm tired. Babe. How far now? Grace. What's happened? Why your face dey like rejected pounded yam?
Now your face now be like rejected pounded yam. In fact, your face not only be like rejected pounded yam, it be like rejected cocoa yam too. Brenda, do you know that you're just a double-crossing bitch? Do you know that?
I don't understand where this thing is going. Why are you talking to me like that?
I will talk to you anyhow I deem fit. So the reason you took Newton's number that night was so that you will go ahead and have something to do with him, so he will fashion you, abi?
Oh, I for talk am since now. You can't interact the talk. So, and so what? Is he your husband?
Now my connect. Leave am for me. Now my connect. You hear me? Yes.
Abeg o. E get where Olosho get one man. Like, I don't understand. Maybe you tell me so Olosho no dey get one man. When it was my turn, you reminded me that we are all in it together. So why can't they vex?
Brenda,
Eh?
I just met that guy. I haven't even had anything to do with him.
Oh, wow.
Not be say I chop belle full carry and give you. So now you understand.
This crazy. Kai, I don't even know how I become your friend. You don't get shame. You're very shameless.
No, lecture me on what a street girl, a hookup girl should do. Have shame? Which Olosho na get shame? No, you tell me.
Yes. Add some dignity to it. Make it classy and premium. Why they waka like who no get sense?
Oh, shut up! What stupid premium and dignity are you talking about? You get dignity, now you open your leg up and down. You put one on the top fan, carry one put for ceiling. See who gets shame.
You dey tap your ass, they give man inside room, now be shame and dignity. What are you even talking about? Anyway, not be your fault. The fact that I took you there instead of looking for one street girl that will go with me. That's why we're here talking about this. That's why we're here saying this.
Grace, I no blame you too. Now me will carry Oga Clifford's number give you. Now he make you go back, go knock him. Oh, no show. Now only married men you dey sleep with.
See this one. Me and you would sleep with married men pass. See this one. Hey!
You like, see, no, so I know they your level again. I know they your level. Oh. You will be CEO of married men. Chief of knocking married men. Snatcher.
Me, I be CEO. I agree. What do you be? President General of them all. Now you get all the married men where they this town. You get them for here, get them for here. It shock you.
I know be low life or low show like you.
Oga, all of us are the same
I
thing.
be high
Now the
class
same.
businesswoman.
Wait, make I tell you, See, now one thing, oh. If now we want to, you know me now.
See this pidgin.
Now one thing make me they leave you.
I
dey tell you. I tell you.
I go knock you together, fold you
Now
like
make
tissue
I
paper.
hear. You don't treat your infection.
Then
And you just jump around town.
You are not the
You don't go treat
infection.
yourself.
You are
get
not
out.
the
She don't know show wey get shame, shame and dignity. You dey speak English. You not so Igbo. Now come up for road, abeg.
Okay, because I don't bring myself down to talk to you.
I know you're disappointed in finding out the truth in such a manner. I don't want you to conclude that they are not nice, or rather, we are not nice. I saw them downstairs, both of them, laughing and playing a game. That's just how we are here. No matter the dispute, we do not allow it linger till morning.
Okay. Good for you guys. But I would want to find out something. Is this also what you do?
Yes. This is what I do for a living. I'm not trying to justify myself, but ever since we graduated from school, I searched and searched for a paying job to no avail. I mean, even the ones that offered to pay offered us peanuts. One day I came to this city. I went out with a couple of girls to a very nice party. I met a young man and he paid me 100,000 naira to spend just 1 hour with him. I mean, that's the offer I also got as a graduate if I were to be working in an office. But the difference is I was to be paid 100,000 naira for 1 month. I got greedy after I got the 100,000 naira that very first day. And I decided to continue trying, Before you know what was happening, I had saved close to 1,400,000 within a month. Of course, as a graduate, I had a lot of responsibilities. My mother and siblings, they looked up to me. I had to give them the best life possible. I'm not trying to justify myself like I said. Because, trust me when I tell you, this is not the life I craved for. I did not bargain for this. This comes with a lot of risk. Sleeping with different men daily. You don't even know the kind of spirits they carry about. That's quite risky.
I'm speechless, seriously. I'll just advise that you stop. I mean, you guys need to stop. From all you've gathered, you guys can have yourself settled for life. You know.
For that? Yes. You're quite right. I recently got a shop. I rented a shop close to St. Mary's Hospital. I want to go into cosmetology and fashion retail. Let's just say the business is a birthday gift from me to me. I'll open my shop after my birthday celebration. But I wouldn't want you to tell the others.
That's so wise of you. Okay, how about your friends? Do they also have plans of leaving this and getting themselves established?
Brenda, yes. She told me she'll be relocating to Europe to join her boyfriend and start up a new life.
She has a boyfriend?
Of course she does have a boyfriend. In fact, she was the one who sponsored him abroad.
And the guy is serious with her?
I sincerely hope so. As for Grace, I can't say. She hasn't even said anything about her future plans when she finally quits this dirty business. But like I told you earlier, I wouldn't want you to share my plans with anyone. I know when to tell them. When the right time comes, I will.
Trust me, I would. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Who's that?
Madam, good girl. I've seen the file.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Let him in. What's early morning? Away. Oh.
Hi.
What in God's name are you doing here? Okay. You're looking for Grace. Well, she's not around. You can come back later because obviously you're not looking for me either.
I am not here to see Grace. Neither am I here to see you. But I know I am at the right place.
So who are you here for?
Gina, can you call her for me?
It's a lie. Are you kidding me?
I am not kidding you. You're an adult. She's here.
Gina! Where did you know this man from?
Years back. Maybe you'd want to ask why I invited him here. I didn't, okay? I think my cousin gave him her address.
What's your mission here?
I am sorry for what happened. Please, I plead with you to go inside, dress up. Let's go somewhere cool and talk. Please. Please.
Wow. This is so good to hear.
Yeah.
But this time around, do not play with her heart. She's my sister.
Never. I am so happy that we have resolved everything. I'm assuring you, I am going to be faithful to her. In fact, she's the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. Believe me.
You have no choice, bro.
Yeah. Lucky, I want to thank you so much. You played a very big role in my life because you made all this possible. I owe you a lot.
It's okay. You don't have to mention. We've known ourselves way back. We've come a long way.
Yeah.
So, it's okay. I got your back.
Just call for celebration.
Yes, I know. Long life. More blessings.
Sophia! Sophia!
Yes. I hope I'm on point. I mean, how do I look?
Baby girl, you look so beautiful. Elegant and classy.
Oh my God, thank you.
Gina, what do you think? Gina, what do you think?
Tell her the truth now. Why are you behaving like that?
What truth?
Sophia, this isn't beautiful. This is tacky. How can you wear this out?
Seriously?
This is not beautiful now.
Ha! Gina, are you serious?
No, it's not fine, I beg.
Gina. That's fine. That's fine. I'll just go up and change. Thank God I have an alternative. It's okay.
Go here. Come, Joe. I was just kidding. Come, baby, you look good. I'm giving you a 10 over 10, man.
Gina, you know you're silly.
I was joking now, babe. This is beautiful.
Babe, you just almost disorganized me.
Sorry.
That is because you listen to whatever it is this one
See,
says.
I don't even know what this idiot give me chop.
Let's go, guys.
Please, let's go. Girls, please, have you called Grace?
Yes. Brenda has called her.
She'll
meet us up.
Okay, that's fine. Let's go. Come on.
Hope we are looking good too.
Yes, you always on point, darling.
I know.
What you love?
Yes, I did.
Right.
Thank you so much for these clothes.
You're welcome,
I'm sure I
baby.
look so good in them.
I'm sure you look sexy. Definitely these clothes will look good on you.
Oh, thank you, so sweet.
Alright, baby. You know what? Let me drop you at the same spot where I used to drop you. So I turn around and go home to my lovely wife. Oh.
Can I make an exception this time? Why don't you take me home, wait for me so I get dressed, then you take me to the venue to ease my movement?
Really?
Uh-huh.
I guess you've forgotten something. The rules of your apartment is no one is allowed to bring in a man. You told me that, I remember.
Oh, that's not this time around.
Really?
I assure you there's nobody in the apartment. It will be just you and I. How does that sound? You're something else.
Yeah, baby.
Hello? Grace, what's up? Sorry, I didn't even hear my phone ringing. I'm sure, yes, I'm sure they are not aware their phones are ringing too. Yes, I'm still there. We are still at the party. Where are you? You're not sounding well. What's up? What? What are you talking about? Where are you? I don't understand what you're saying. Wait, I'm coming. I don't even get what you're saying. I'm coming. I'm coming. I don't even understand what you're saying. I'll be with you shortly. Mr. Benson. You? You know him? What is this? What's going on here?
I'm not coming. I thought he said I was lying when I told him he was cheating on me. Them things say na only woman that kind of thing they catch. Yes, I told him I was ready to go to any length to prove to him that my instincts don't lie. Let him face his shame with his girlfriend. I don't care. Jean, I don't care if he's my husband. Yes. If I may ask, why are you begging on his behalf? Where are they, Seth? In your what? Your house? How?
Grace, what is the meaning of this? Don't do that! Because I always allow you to get away with everything. How can you? Why do you always ruin everything, Grace? I thought we had agreed that no one will bring a man into this house. So what is this? Grace, what have I done to you? Why do you want to spoil my name in this estate? Is this what you want, for them to chase us out of this estate? Grace, I'm asking you.
Sophia, please relax.
No, don't tell me to relax now. Because I'm supposed to be with my invitees, enjoying my birthday.
Hey.
Grace being Grace will always spoil everything. What is this now?
Sophia, calm down, please. You have to relax. So you will not make her emotionally crazy.
Emotional? Who cares? She should even die there. I don't care at this point.
Hey.
What is this?
Do you know what will become of us if his wife comes in? For her to be able to do this.
If I am his wife, I will kill the both of them.
No, now, Sophia, now. For her to do this, that means she's very, very wicked, demonic. Please, relax.
Speaking of which, where's Gina? I thought she said she was just going to stay out there and wait for the woman to come. What's keeping her this long? Finally. Madam.
Your beloved husband.
Grace! So it's you! Madam, you both know each other?
Madam, I beg. Please, help us. Forgive them. Just help disentangle them. I beg.
Will you shut up? Thank you. How dare you? I'm sure if you are aware of all this. No, madam. You see me, single me out of this equation. I know nothing about this nonsense. And next time when you're giving address, speak for yourself. Don't address me in this. Speak for her. Leave me out of it. What's this now?
Hey.
Honey, my darling, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Spare me, please. We don't want to be stuck here forever. Eh?
Deserve to.
I feel like that's not what you're doing.
Just have to.
I want to cut. You want to cut?
I thought you said you don't cheat.
I promise you, I will not cheat again. I will not. I will not.
Madam,
please, I'm sorry.
I want to tell you something. I swear. I didn't know he's your husband. Yes. I didn't know he was the person you were telling me about this whole time. I just met him, you know, as people meet people on the road. That's how I met him. I swear. Please help me. I beg you. I'm sorry.
Oku.
Sorry.
I will separate you both.
God bless you.
Because of Gina.
God bless you.
So I have to call the person that cast the spell on you. And this will be done in an open place.
Yes, madam, if you want to take them to Market Square, no problem.
No.
Madam Rose, please.
Madam, you know what? I'll just even
bring
bring
knife.
knife.
Open space. No, please. That's not possible.
Or better yet, madam, I will give you knife so that you can, since they want it in private, you can use that to separate both of them, then we'll all rest.
Oh yes, that's the only way we can separate.
Sophie!
I love you. Careful. I'm sorry. It's the devil. It's the devil. I'm sorry.
See, I do not want to put my mouth in anything that concerns my sister. Anyhow they won't be, let them be fine. I don't care. But from the onset, we've been saying this and she refused to believe us. So what do you want me to do? Okay, now her eyes are clear. Huh?
Lucky, let bygone be bygone. She's still our sister. I understand that her love for her husband is not allowing her say reasons with us. What I don't like is the way she handled the whole thing. Look, you needed to have seen the crowd when we dragged them on the street. It was an embarrassing scene. If I were Grace, I would just pack my bags and leave the city because I can't stand the embarrassment.
You will simply pack away. That is exactly what we are saying. So in this situation, what do you want me to do? Talk to someone like that?
Keep talking to her. Okay?
Oh, really?
Just keep talking to her. Right. And please, stop this your whole Yahoo thing. Let me know the one that is bothering me. Please.
Excuse you. Who told you I'm a Yahoo? Or rather, who told you I'm into Yahoo?
Look, I'm not a fool. I see the calls you make. How you are constantly on your phone 24/7. And the calls you receive. So I don't need anyone to tell me you're into this thing. All I'm saying is stop.
How does all you've listed amount to the fact that I am a Yahoo boy? Listen, I'm a blogger. I own one of the biggest platforms on social media. Alright? I just don't want to show myself that I am the owner. That's it. I'm hiding under the keyboards.
You're a blogger, right?
Yes.
What's the name of your platform? I want to check it out and be sure.
Anyway, that's a story for another day. Okay?
Grace, I understand your decision. Even I would do the same. But I want to beg of you, please, try to get a life. At least with what you've saved, you can start up something. Open a shop. Peradventure, you get a job. You can still keep the business. That could serve as, a backup.
Sophie, I didn't plan to leave this town this soon. At least not like this. But with what happened yesterday, I could barely walk on the road. Like, I feel like it's all over for me here. Like, there's nothing left. Yes, I'll take your advice. I'll get a life. One which is worth more than what I've been doing. And that's it. Please.
Well, like I told you all last night, I'm not going back to this. Not anymore. And I admire your decision.
I've left him no choice. Please tell Brenda that I left.
Brenda. So with everything I told her yesterday, she still went out. And to think that her boyfriend actually sent her some money, for ticket and other stuff. I don't know why she's not satisfied.
Brenda wants to set up something good for her mother before she leaves. Hence, she's looking for money.
Whatever.
You wouldn't blame her.
That's her business. But, girl, I would have loved to have you here for my shop opening next weekend.
I can't do things for you. Because that's about what Grace does. She ruins everything.
Of course, your Grace. Of course, the spice of the party.
Whatever.
Okay, so did you tell Gina that you're leaving?
No, I couldn't wait for 2 hours for her to stop her prayers.
Grace is always Grace. I'll miss you.
I don't know how to thank you. I God, I'll miss you. Thank you, Sophie.
It's okay.
You're the sister.
Don't make me emotional.
Thank God bless you. Thank you.
I'll miss you, girl.
I miss you terribly, and I'll miss everything in the house, even the rose. But I need to concern Olusho.
You know what?
Like
Don't
be
Before
like
Grace
that.
will be Grace, I'll just go get my car keys and drop you off at the airport, okay?
Say it again.
I won't go drop you for airport now. What's it wrong? Is it on the cruise?
Baby girl. Me. I left that life behind. Take me to the park. I need some, money.
Oh.
I don't want to go beg for Gary to drink when I usually do.
No, Ahara. So you have to wait up. I will change, then get my car keys and drop you off, okay? I don't want to cry. You can have this while I go change.
Thank you.
I can't believe you're leaving us.
Cease. I know that we've settled our differences. Yes. In as much that I have problem with your husband in the time past, that will not warrant me to support your divorce or you divorcing your husband. I will not. So please, stop that move now.
Yes, so I'll divorce him after I have 3 children with him. You know me, I'm a businesswoman. I'm not that kind of woman that depends on men. You know it.
May I ask you this simple question? Is your husband ignoring you or fighting you after the whole incident?
No. Actually, even when I told him I wanted divorce, he has been begging me since yesterday, pretending to be a nice person.
Oh, really? Then what do you want? What exactly do you want? Why is this divorce of a thing entering your head? Are there people advising you wrongly?
People? Which people? At my age? I just feel he's pretending to be a changed person.
Sis, I will not support you in filing divorce against your husband. Please. All you have to do is come close. Watch him closely. If he start giving you attitude, then you can think towards that direction. But for now, stay with your husband. Stay with your husband. You dey hear me?
It's okay, I've heard what you said. I'll think about it.
Think about it. Well, let me get the things I bought for your children.
Am I not mommy's daughter?
Until you do the right thing.
Better bring something for me or I will just jack you.
Who's there? Who's there? Good morning.
Morning.
You didn't go to work?
No. I'm here to see you. I have something to show you.
Oh. I'm upset.
I have good news. I am now the owner of Delight Fast Food.
I don't get it.
My uncle changed the ownership of that company to my name. So I am now the CEO of Delight Eatery.
Whoa. Congratulations. That's great.
Yeah, and this is where you come in. You know, the last time we went out, I gave you a proposal of becoming the new accountant, which you turned down. Ever since then, I've been trying to get someone that can do the job, but all to no avail. So this time around, I need your help. I need your support. I can't do it without you. And I'm coming with a new proposal. Not the accountant anymore, but the manager, please.
And what if I decline?
No, you don't have to, please. I am begging you. The truth is, Gina, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want you to be the last woman I see every day before I sleep. I want you to be the first woman I see when I wake up in the morning. I want you to be the mother of my unborn kids. Please, accept my proposal. Let's run this business together.
I accept the position as the manager. We can work together.
Thank you. I have something. Gina, please. Gina, please marry me.
Newton, not so fast, okay? I mean, we just got back together. And I have accepted to build your business with you. Let's see how it goes.
Gina, They said, one bed at hand worth more than 1,000 beds in the bush. You are tested and trusted. Please, I don't want to lose you to another man. I am begging you, please. Accept my proposal, please.
You're not going to lose me. Let's focus on your business first. If you don't mess up again, I'm going to be here forever. Okay?
Stop. Listen, babe, I've learned my lesson.
Stop. Hey, Sophia.
What? Who? No, where are you? Please, drop your address, drop your location. I'm coming to you now.
Babe, what's happening?
Please, you have to come with me, please. Come.
Please, accept me.
Come, please, come. Sophia! Brenda, please, Brenda, what is wrong? What happened? Brenda! What happened to her? What happened to her? Brenda, please don't do this. Brenda, please stand now. Brenda, please stand. Brenda, please, Brenda.
Back for ground, money for hand. You want short time, I been a full time. Call them runs, I been a shower. The thing be say I shower, na shower. It doesn't matter how you bent up. It doesn't matter how you too short. Sex for money in a shower. Yo, because I shower no be walk. If I shower, runs no be walk at all. If I shower no be walk. If I shower, make you find something doing. If I shower, because I shower no be walk. If I shower, runs no be walk at all. If I shower.